How to bold text on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bold text on the LinkedIn post. So stick around till the end to make sure to get all the details. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. So once you are inside the LinkedIn and when you go to create a post on LinkedIn, you will notice that there is no direct option to bold your text, even though you would like to emphasize certain words. But don't worry, there is a simple trick to do this. To do that, simply open your web browser and search for Yay Text. This website allows you to convert normal text into different styles, including bold. And once you are on the Yay Text site, type the text that you want to use in your LinkedIn post. And after typing, scroll down to see various text styles, including the bold one. And once you have located the bold text, you can simply copy the bold version of your text and go back to your LinkedIn and paste it directly into your post. And voila, your text will now appear in bold. You can also experiment with different styles from the website like the black squirrel style or any other style you prefer. And that's it. That's how you can add bold text in your LinkedIn post. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.